Hello and welcome to Where to Drive. Here we have a short video shot back in the summer of 2016 at the Redhill car meet. A nice little array of cars varying from British cars, Westfields, American muscle cars and this very special Cummins Napier Railton. Based on the aero car from I believe the 30s that set the record around Brooklyn. The owner who built this car has put a Cummins diesel engine which is both turbocharged and supercharged. I'll put a link above that tells you more about it. There are various other vintage, classic, modern sports cars there. A nice little evening meet. There we have a really short video of the photos I took at the Redhill car meet. Well worth clicking below on the link to the owner to see the fantastic engineering work he did putting the engine and the other bits and pieces into the Cummins Napier Railton. Links to the car club is also below. Click subscribe for all future content, more videos coming soon. Thanks for watching.